So as I said in the last video, if you do have the Salesforce Professional Edition, you will get an error message when you click Next. You'll have to manually place these fields in your Salesforce layout. By doing that, you click Setup, Customize, and you'll need to do this for a few objects. And an object is basically a tab. So think of a tab and an object as the same. We'll have to do that for accounts, contacts, opportunities, opportunity products, which is underneath opportunities, and then products. So first we're going to start with accounts. Click accounts, then page layouts. If you have multiple page layouts, you'll need to do the same process for every single layout. I only have one, that's the default. Some people have customizations and they have one for each type of account that they have. So I'm going to click Edit, and then we're going to get this customizable layout area. So what I'm going to do is create a section called QuickBooks Information, which you do by dragging Section down here and then naming it QuickBooks Information. And then you need to hover over these available buttons. This is a non-available button. This is an available button. You can see by whether it's grayed out or not. I'm looking for anything with a PDS. So as you can see, the label is Closed Won Opportunity Count, but the name is PDS.ClosedWon Opportunity Count. So PDS stands for Pervasive Data Solutions. So we know that we need this this field. Here's another PDS. I'm going to hold down the Shift key or the Control key. Shift key, you can simply hold down the Shift key and then select multiples just by one click. Or the Control key, if you hold that down and you click, you can select individual fields. So that's what I'm going to do. So I've got credit limit, that's PDS. This is a PDS. Now that I have all these fields selected, I'm going to drag them down into the QuickBooks Information area. Then I'll need to rearrange these simply by dragging and dropping. You can do this however you prefer. So I'm just going to do this really quickly. You do it any which way you want. Then make sure you click Save or Quick Save. If you don't click Save, it won't save anything. Then you click Buttons, and you'll see this quick Push to QuickBooks button. Drag this into the Custom Buttons area and click Save again. The Push to QuickBooks button will allow you to push one record into QuickBooks by itself. So we've done that for accounts. We're going to do the exact same thing for contacts, opportunities, and products. So here's Customer List ID and Primary Contact. I'm going to select both of these. I'm going to drag them in and click Save. Same for opportunities. I'm going to drag them in. Again, organize this any way you like. Then click Buttons and drag the Push to QuickBooks button. Now the Push to QuickBooks button is only on accounts and opportunities. So now, as I said, we have to do opportunities, but also opportunity products. So here we go. Click Edit. Closed. QB transaction. Quantity invoiced. And drag those right here. Quick save. Okay, so we've got accounts, contacts, and opportunities. Now we need to do products, and we are done. We have average cost, cost, item list, QB, item type, and quantity on hand. I'm going to drag that under QuickBooks information and click Save. Now, if we've done all of this correctly, you will see these on the accounts, the opportunities and products, which you can see here. And when I click Next, I will not have an error. So if I get to step 3, we know we've done this correctly. If we stay on step 2 and get an error, then we may have forgotten a field, and we might have to go back and find the field and drag it into the layout.